Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, the 4th of December. My name is Sarah Louise, and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. Let's begin with technical analysis of the euro-dollar. Price was able to break above daily pivot and now is moving sideways below R1, suggesting consolidation. If it gains momentum and breaks above first resistance, it will focus on next target at R2. But decline below daily pivot will at first focus on support S1. If it breaks below this level, it will probably form new low around S2. Expect a bearish trend today. Now let's move on to another currency pair with the dollar-yen analysis. Price has declined below daily pivot and now is approaching support S1. Further fall will open way towards next objective at S2 support. But if it rebounds from first support, it will retest daily pivot, and if it holds its momentum, it will focus at R1 resistance, and sustained increase could form high at R2. Expect a bearish trend today. After that, we have the sterling dollar outlook. Price was able to break above daily pivot, but further increase was limited by R1 resistance. But if it rebounds, high will be probably formed around R2 resistance. On the other hand, if it rebounds and then declines below daily pivot, we could expect target at S1 support. Expect a bullish trend today. Our last technical analysis is about the dollar-franc pair. Price is now moving around daily pivot, suggesting consolidation. Downward movement will be confirmed if price falls below S1 support. But if it rebounds from first support and rises above daily pivot, target will be at R1 resistance. Expect a bearish trend today. We have only two important news for you today. First will be reported at 8 a.m. GMT, and it will concern about Spanish unemployment change. This high-impact news is expected to decline from 128,000 to 90,000 unemployed people. Second news will be reported at 9:30 a.m. GMT, when market will release figures about construction PMI in the UK. Analysts are expecting slight decline from 50.9 to 50.7 points. First two MultiTrader strategies haven't changed since yesterday, but on third place is now System Fero strategy with 520.7 pips, while FXCN fell slightly to 669.6 pips. On fifth place is now Strike strategy, which has replaced Auto Euro Quote strategy. Strike's gain is 140.1 pips at the moment. A Rise strategy in MultiTrader Platform is still leading strategy, but Fibonacci and Fractals on second position has declined slightly by 0.55%. Jumping FX strategy also recorded decline by 0.84%. Following IGS Fund on fourth place fell by 0.24%. Fifth place, represented by Taiji, remained at 4.37%. And on this date, in 1791, the first edition of The Observer, the world's first Sunday newspaper, was published. Thanks for watching Axiory's news broadcast. Have a great day trading, and don't forget to like us on Facebook or follow our Twitter to get the latest news. Bye-bye!